way more you? Look, Dexter would tell me how to do this.
Yeah.
He knows exactly where to go.
The Bay Harbor Butcher.
People say it's amazing with that show, right?
Yeah.
But if I were to rank my top 10 shows I've ever watched, it'd be in the top 10, but it'd be like 8.
Yeah.
It's good, but
it's one of the better now.
Yes, I'm glad we watched it, and I've got no regrets spending 7 seasons watching it, 6 seasons watching it. But it's
Did anybody eat the anus yet?
You get the 6 online.
It's not like the show The Wire is my favorite ever.
Yeah.
Bar none.
Never seen it.
Did you?
Worth watching.
Did you eat?
Hey, Kraut.
Kraut, did you eat the ass out of that yet?
Why don't we put that grate on there? Get the ribs on there. Someone grab the grate? I was gonna, yeah. Whoever. No, I'll help you. No, he wanted to do this. What? There you go. Finger.
Jimmy's got the chainsaw. That'll cut her up.
God, for fuck's sake, somebody here. This is not a party.
Somebody's gonna.
I'd rather have fucking fireworks going on.
Somebody's gonna get a hoot.
I don't know what's going on, but I don't like it. Oh yeah, Ronnie. There's also some ribs on here, right?
No! This is not okay. No.
That'll cut it.
He just about shit himself. Alright.
Don't worry about fireworks, we got a fucking chainsaw instead. Hey, Andrew.
You might want to put that thing away.
They were gonna eat those.
It's a little dusty.
Like fucking savages. Look at this.
I gotta brush up there.
Smiley.
Yeah.
Oh, silly cunts.
What's Jimmy plan to do with the chainsaw?
Oh, he's gonna help you, asshole. Get your arms out of the way.
Yeah.
He's cutting some fucking ribs. I don't want to be in the back spray area. Somebody get a picture. Sorry, I was right in front of you.
That's alright.
Stupid cunt, Ron.
Hold it close to your body.
Keep it away from that.
Put it on a piece of wood first.
Talking smack. Were they not? I told you to take off your underwear to go in the fucking water. We didn't cut the ring in.
This is stupid.
They're talking now, too.
You gotta put this on YouTube. Oh, it fell off.
Hey, give me this chair! Give me this chair!